The 6 healing sounds. So sit at the edge of a chair and your feet are about shoulder width apart and your back is upright, your chin slightly in, and smile into your lungs. Breathe into your lungs. And now turn your eyes down and look into your lungs. Look right, look left, look right, look left in your lungs. Normally we say 21 set. Right, left, right is 1 set. Look inside. See any sadness, any depressed feeling or grief in your lungs. And we practice the sound. Bring your hands down. Inhale. Twist your wrist at the level of your face and press your palms up, your elbows to the back. Open your eyes. And you may feel like a grey dark color leaving your lungs through the arms, and you send it down into the earth and bury it. Spiral it deep down into the earth. And we connect again with our lungs. And look inside. Look right, look left. And now we repeat the sound. Inhale. And we inhale white light into our lungs. And we bring courage, righteousness, and sincerity back. And now we connect with our brain, and we move our hands from the left side up and the right side down, and in a circle, and we release feelings like sadness, depression or grief. Spiral it out from your brain. And then we reverse and we energize our brain with courage, righteousness and sincerity.